UFC number 4th ranked lightweight title contender Islam Makhachev has been the hottest topic of debate between the top 5 lightweights in the UFC. He is facing the similar trajectory to his close friend and training partner Habib Nurmagomedov. He too had 10 fight win streak before he fought for the title, and it was very hard to find an opponent for him as well. But this time Islam has relief knowing that the person who is endorsing him for that is Habib Nurmagomedov. He is trying his best to make sure that what he faces, his friend is not going to face the same problem. Because Islam Makhachev is currently on 9 fight winning streak. He has choked out his last 3 opponent. In his 9 fight in UFC, he has finished his 5 opponent and he has 4 wins by decision. He is said to be the future champ of the division and somebody who is going to rule the division for quite some time. His last opponent Dan Hooker was supposed to be his hardest test because he was the only ranked opponent he ever fought. But he made very easy work of him. First, in coming into that fight, Dan Hooker was considered the superior striker. And in that fight, Islam Makhachev was landing at 92% and Dan Hooker was landing at 67% for however long that fight lasted, for around 2.5 minutes, before taking Dan Hooker down and choking him out. But it is not the first time. If you look at Islam Makhachev all the fights, he always fights the strikers. First he outstrikes them in the striking and then they take him down and choke them out. But there is one more thing very common with Habib Nurmagomedov. He has not been cut yet in UFC fight. But if you look at Islam Makhachev's stats, it's very scary. He has the lowest rate for absorbing significant strike. He has less than 1% of strike absorbing rate. So you can understand that in his 10 fight UFC career, he has not taken any punishment yet. He fights with very high guard and he always displays a very good knowledge of range. He is very technical even though he might not get credit for that. But it is not new. His coach Javier Mendez has reiterated this fact over and over again that Islam Makhachev is one of the best striker and in UFC lightweight division. But there is another scary stat about Islam Makhachev. He has striking accuracy of 59%, the highest among the UFC lightweight division fighters. The next best is Dustin Poirier, who is at 52%, Conor McGregor, who is at 51%, Benil Dariush is at 50%, and all the other 10 are lower than 50. And champ Charles Oliveira, he has striking accuracy of 56%, 3% lower than Islam Makhachev. That's why he has shown over and over again, even though it is not said or mentioned during the fight build-up, that he has not dominated only in grappling, he has dominated strikers in striking as well. He is currently waiting for his title shot, but it seems like he might have to fight once again. The people above him in the ranking are number 3 Benil Dariush, number 2 Justin Gaethje, and number 1 Dustin Poirier. Justin Gaethje too, he is adamant on getting his title shot and he is making noises after the win against Michael Chandler. Since after the title fight on December 11th, champion whoever wins that fight is not going to fight for the next at least 5 to 6 months. Then Islam might have to fight somebody else. It could be either Benil Dariush or it could be the loser of Dustin Poirier and Charles Oliveira. So I'll keep you updated on that, and thanks for watching this, and please subscribe.